In the FIRE community, we often hear about the 4% rule, which is basically the safe withdrawal rate, how much you can withdraw from your savings without running out of money. This rule is based on the Trinity study. We are not going to be going in depth into the Trinity study here. The only objective here is to show you how to calculate numbers based on the 4% rule. So say for example here in the first case you have a target, you want to spend $80,000, you want to be able to withdraw $80,000 a year, and you want to know how much you need in savings in order to be able to achieve this number. So all you have to do here is divide 80,000 by, which is your target, by 4. So we're gonna 4%. So we're gonna do equals 80,000 divided by 0.04, which is 4%. And we know that you need $2 million in savings investments in order to be able to achieve this number. Now we can do this the other way around as well. Say you are a very lucky person and you already have $1.5 million in investments, and you want to know how much you can withdraw every year according to the 4% rule. So what you can do here is just divide this number by 25. So you go equals 1.5 million divided by 25, and you would be able to withdraw $60,000 out of your $1.5 million without running out of money, according to the Trinity study.